The Speed Queen Insights Technology Suite is a set of powerful tools designed to help vended laundry owners reimagine their store's perceived limit of profitability. This fully integrated cloud-based solution offers remote machine management and unprecedented data and analytics with Speed Queen Insights, a convenient mobile app for your customers, complete payment flexibility with the Value Center, next-level marketing capabilities with our customer relationship management system, and world-class 24/7 dedicated support. With the Speed Queen Insights Technology Suite, you will reimagine productivity and profitability, all while elevating the customer experience. With this unprecedented suite of tools, you can optimize your business, earn more revenue, and grow faster through robust technology solutions for every part of your business. The Speed Queen Insights Technology Suite is available in tiered packages that can be easily expanded as your business grows. Reimagine your laundromat and contact your sales representative today for a demonstration. Speed Queen, the proven performer in laundry.